Our StratoLink D71 disc coupling delivers increased torque ratings and larger bore capacities, resulting in lower weights and increased reliability in highly demanding applications. Designed to meet API 610 standards, the D71 features an advanced unitized disc pack with a proprietary bushing system. Additionally, D71 center member assemblies are designed to mount directly onto existing Rexnord Thomas Series 71 hubs. This video walks through the installation of the StratoLink D71 disc coupling and is a supplement to Instruction Manual MN4078. For new installations, a complete StratoLink D71 coupling consists of two finished bore hubs, a center member assembly, and installation hardware. Before installation, ensure equipment is turned off using proper lockout/tagout procedures and use all required personal protective equipment. If installing interference fit hubs, follow all facility hot work safety procedures. For this installation, you will need the following equipment and supplies. Use a non-flammable solvent to remove all protective coatings applied during manufacturing. Examine all components to ensure that parts meet application requirements such as shaft size and spacing. Scribe a mark at the desired hub location. Install keys in their respective shafts. Next, mount the hubs flush with the ends of the shaft. Unless otherwise specified, StratoLink D71 disc couplings are supplied with interference fit hubs. For detailed instructions on interference fit hub installation, reference the Dodge Interference Fit Hub installation video. Set the distance between shaft ends or DBSE to the value specified for your center member assembly. Confirm the distance with calipers at 4 points between the hubs. Align the driver and driven shafts with the axial, angular, and parallel limits listed in the manual for your coupling size. Ensuring accurate alignment will maximize coupling life. Before installation, the center member assembly must be slightly compressed so it can fit between the hubs. Tighten the compression fasteners evenly and just enough to fit the center member assembly between the hubs. Do not over-tighten, unevenly tighten fasteners, or leave the center member assembly compressed for an extended period, as this can negatively impact coupling life. Lubricate the hub-to-adapter fasteners with light motor oil. Slide the compressed center member between the hubs and align the pilot. Thread each bolt through the hub and fully hand tighten into the center member assembly. Support the center member assembly at all times. Do not allow individual bolts to carry its weight. Once all bolts are in place, evenly remove the compression fasteners and allow the assembly to expand. Torque all hub-to-adapter fasteners in a progressive pattern to the specified torque values for your coupling size. Measure the disc gap at 4 positions. The reading should fall within the minimum and maximum limits listed for your coupling size, and the individual discs should appear parallel with no visible waves. Remove all tools, compression fasteners, and lockout tags. The StratoLink D71 disc coupling is now installed and ready for operation. To easily retrofit existing Thomas Series 71 installations, Dodge StratoLink D71 center member assemblies can be installed on existing Thomas Series 71 hubs. Verify the DBSE and shaft alignment and then install the center member assembly using the previously outlined steps. To support its higher torque ratings, some D71 disc coupling sizes include twice as many hub-to-adapter fasteners as the Thomas Series 71. When retrofitting onto Series 71 hubs, not all bolt holes in the D71 center member assembly may be used. As long as a Dodge-supplied bolt is installed in every hub-to-adapter hole of the Series 71 hub, the D71 will operate with torque ratings equivalent to the original Thomas coupling. Once all hub-to-adapter fasteners have been torqued to the specified values and the final alignment check has been completed, the coupling is ready for operation. We have put product support at your fingertips. For our online selection program, visit ptwizard.com, and for our e-commerce platform, visit dodge.ptplace.com.